Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use a single ND filter on different size of camera lenses of DSLR and mirrorless cameras. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, as you can see here, I have one ND filter. So I have a different lenses for my mirrorless or DSLR camera. Firstly, let me show you. So I bought this ND filter mainly for this lenses. So it directly fits here. So you can see here the size of this lens. So it's written 67. So I need an ND filter with the size of 67. So this is the, as you can see here, 67 mm. So I can directly put it on this lens. So you can see here, I can directly put this lens. So I can directly put this ND filter on this respective lens. But what about if I have different size of lenses? So now I have different lenses again. So let me show you here the size for the filter. As you can see here, it's different size. The earlier one was 67. So this one is 55, as you can see. So this ND filter will not fit directly, as you can see. So in order to make this ND filter fit on this different lens size, what you need to do is you need to purchase this kind of step up or step down ring. So this is a step up ring. So you can see here different size, as you can see, starting from the 49, the maximum to 82 mm. So this is a step up ring. So if you have a smaller size of ND filter and you have a bigger lens size, then you can get the step down ring. So I'll be leaving the product purchase link of both of this ND filter as well as this step up or step down rings on the video description. So you can click there and purchase these respective products for your respective lenses. And after that, now say in my case it was showing 55, right? So what I need to do is I need to select the smaller ring. So it's showing here 55. So let us remove those parts which we don't need. So I've removed this. Now this ND filter size is 67 mm, as you can see. So we need the maximum to the 67. So let us take out those which we don't need. So we'll remove this too. Now let us try to attach this step up ring with this camera lenses firstly. So it's fitting perfectly, as you can see. And now let us try to attach this ND filter using this step up ring. So you can see, finally we can attach this different size of ND filter with different size of lenses, as you can see, using this step up ring. Now you can turn on your mirrorless or DSLR camera and you can start using this ND filter. So you don't need to purchase different ND filter for different lens sizes. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily use a single ND filter on different size of camera lenses of DSLR and mirrorless camera very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.